Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Caterpie. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the antenna. Draw a small curve here. Then lines up on either side and curve it slightly outwards. Now draw long, rounded shapes coming out on either side. Let's draw the shape of the head next. Under the antenna, draw a curve down. Then, above the antenna, continue that same curve over to the right and back down. Then close off the bottom with an S curve. Draw the eye next with a circle on the right. And then one more circle inside. Next, draw a large curve under here for the mouth. Now another curve inside on the bottom. Let's draw the body now. Draw a curved line down here. And then a circle at the end. Now on the left, draw a shorter curve down. And then an oval at the end. Now draw curves for the top and the bottom. And now curve from the side of the foot back up to the head. Let's draw the next section of the body now. Draw another small curve down from the right foot here. And then a circle at the bottom. Close off this segment of the body with a curve. Then a half circle for the other foot. Now curve down on the right side. Now draw two curves coming close together, like this, for the rest of the body and the tail. Then close it off at the end with a curve. Now inside, draw another curve down in the middle. Next, draw two curves in the top section here. And two more curves in the bottom section. Now at the end of the tail, draw a small circle. And then a long oval upwards. Lastly, draw a double oval inside each of the top sections like this. And that's it for Caterpie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.